Hello guys, and welcome back to part 3 of the exercise program. I hope you are enjoying this program of me sharing my transformation journey with you, because I want you to succeed as well. And these are the exercises that I did for literally 9 months. So if we break it down, so here is a list of all the exercises I did for me to lose all my weight for the past 9 months. And I've basically been doing these every day. I've been doing these 3 times a week, alternating day 1, day 2. So Monday would be day 1, Wednesday day 2, then day 1 on Friday. And these exercises what I did during my last few weeks, couple of months, when I was cutting down as well to my photo shoot physique, which I'm going through now. The date is the 20th of September, so I have just 6 days before my shoot. So I'm very restricted on my diet, and I'm doing cardio 7 days a week. But that is all explained in the photo shoot section, which is part 5, going to the extreme, and how to get your mindset into that short 2 to 3 month period where you're really honing in, cutting down your calories and increasing activity. But we'll explain more about that in that section. But in this section, it's all about the exercises. So through the next few videos, I will be going through each exercise that I've done and explaining how to do it, correct form. And also I'll be talking in the next video about the different kinds of lifts. There's 3 types of lifts, right? So you got the positive, then you got the hold, then you got the negative. So I'll explain that a bit more and break it down a bit more in the next video, because these are very important. We want to maximize as much muscle breakdown as we can. Okay, so it's just a quick video introduction into this section, which is the exercise section, and I'll be going over all the exercises step by step, so you can continue this journey as well and get into the best shape of your life. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.